petit oiseau, assis sur une branche. Je m'appelle Fifi, je m'appelle Blanche. Bonjour Fifi, bonjour Blanche. Au revoir Fifi, au revoir Blanche. Bonjour, bonjour, ça va, très bien, merci, ça va, Dolores, Dolores, divertidos, Dolores,
I'm Catherine Evans. I'm head teacher of St Gladys Barwood Primary School. Many of our children might not have that same opportunity to travel the world at this stage of their lives, but that we could then, why not bring the world to St Gladys? And that's what I set out to do. And with the help of the EAS Languages Coordinator and other opportunities that were made available, we started on what has been, and continues to be, a really wonderful, quite joyful journey of introducing a range of languages to our children right from the outset of their time in St Gladys, coming into nursery.
So we start right from nursery, where we introduce lots of greetings, lots of songs. In St Gladys, we're really passionate about singing. This will then build up going through reception to year 1, year 2. And we will start to introduce some phrases. And then if you want to explain about in Key Stage 2 then.
Yeah, so when we get up to the higher end of the school, so years 3 to 6, we start to then build up those incidental phrases so that they can then start to develop and have conversations with one another. One of our biggest things is that we want to make the learning authentic. So we often link it to the topics that we're studying or the class text that we're focusing on in our literacy, which drives throughout every other area of the curriculum then.
In St Gladys, we really value our pupil voice groups. So we felt it was really important as part of our international languages that we really brought on a pupil voice group. And so this is with years 3 to 6 at the moment. And they have to apply through a little application form that's why they want to be a language ambassador and chosen then by their peers. And then we have fortnightly meetings where we introduce the phrase of the week with them, ask them any ideas that they want to share and how they want international languages really to run in our school.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Gwen. I am a language ambassador at St Gladys Barwood.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Jacob. I am also a language ambassador at St Gladys.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Miley. I'm a language ambassador at St Gladys.
I think it's important because if we have a visitor coming in or a new student, we can welcome them.
Yeah, and when we're older, if we get a job, that you might get an opportunity to work in a different country.
I think learning languages is fun because, well, there's just so much creativity and just culture. It's just beautiful and it's the best thing I've ever seen.
I think learning languages is fun because you get to make more friends from it. So when you go on holiday, you get to make friends if they speak a different language or the locals.
With year 6, there's lots of transition links between the year 6 teachers and then the teachers up at Healthy. So the year 6 will have French lessons that are delivered by Healthy that they take part in.
What they see now is the ways in which they will adjust that learning to make sure that progression and that real sense of development is there. So, it's a really exciting opportunity for us to build and build and build and prepare our children for that more advanced and developed transition to year 7. And the French department in Healthy is very keen to respond to that.
My name is Nerys Davis. I'm head teacher at Healthy Comprehensive School in Caerphilly Borough. At Healthy Comprehensive School, we place a significant importance on the learning of international languages for our young people. As a linguist myself, a French and German teacher, I think it's fundamental to the development of young people that they have opportunities to learn an international language, and particularly in areas that are less diverse, such as where we are situated in Bargoed. As such, when we reviewed our curriculum in line with the Curriculum for Wales, we wanted to link closely with cluster primaries to make sure that there was a continuum of learning of international languages, right through from the age of 3 ideally. As part of the planning very early on in the Curriculum for Wales, the international languages teachers worked really closely with the Cymraeg teachers to make sure that there was a parity and a symmetry to what children are learning across year 7, 8 and 9. We also benefited from a cluster in Set A where the whole AOLE across the whole cluster got together and looked at linking learning experiences across the subjects within the LLC AOLE, and that informed the planning of the learning journeys in international languages, but also in Cymraeg and in English across all of the cluster schools.
So we started with the new curriculum for Wales looking at a joint objective between Welsh and French, understanding what we wanted our learners to look like at each stage of the learning journey. We have factored in the French that is taught and the language elements that are taught within the primary sector, and we secure that knowledge. We planned a multilingual project for year 7, so we could really gauge the understanding and awareness of language that was covered within our primary cluster. Schools like St Gladys have worked exceptionally hard to get that ethos of understanding that languages are really important and growing that awareness of language, and that is done across our cluster. The important thing that we've acknowledged as well is that they don't have to come to us with a really strong understanding in French. They just need to come to us with a strong love of languages, and then we will carry that passion forward, taken up to GCSE and beyond.
Here at HLD, we have seen a significant difference in the attitude of learners towards the language learning in general. They are very enthusiastic, they're very passionate, they can't wait to share their own language journey that they've had prior to arriving with us here at HLD.
Learning French in St Gladys really helped in comp because we knew some starters to help us when we learn in French and in assessments.
I think learning French in St Gladys really helped us because it helped us learn more words before any other students in Hilvey, which gives us a really big advantage and that we already know the words.
I think it's important to learn an international language so that you don't just be biased to just one language, because it's very important that you include more things in your lifestyle, and it's very helpful to do it young because your brain can soak up a bit more of the things that you learn when you're younger instead of when you're older. And it's also just fun to learn languages.
So as part of planning our curriculum journey in years 7 to 9, as well as making sure that the pupils have a solid understanding of language and culture, we also want to make sure that they see the relevance of language. We do a lot of work to get those authentic experiences in. We have outside speakers who come in and speak about how their careers and companies have been impacted through the use of languages and how they've been expanded. We also have links with universities, or Cardiff University and the NFL Mentoring Project and Reaching Wider, Aberystwyth University. We also do challenges with GCHQ. We've also got the RAF coming in, so the pupils can really see that the language is a living and breathing entity and goes far beyond our walls.
I chose to study French at GCSE because I've been learning French from primary school and I enjoy learning French, so I decided that it'd probably be the perfect choice for me for GCSE. I think it's important to learn languages in primary school because it gives you the basic understanding if you were to go to the places that speak that language.
The thing I enjoy about learning international languages is that maybe if you do a job that sort of requires you to go abroad, then you have a background of language, so maybe if you're speaking to say customers or anything like that, you can sort of talk to them and communicate with them.
I think it's extremely important to learn an international language because when you're going into the workforce and you want to get hired, a lot of jobs, especially in business and communications, knowing an international language will just, increase your chances of getting hired.
I enjoy learning language at HLD because I feel the teachers work really, really hard for us. They understand our questions. I feel like the style of work that we do as well is really, really good.
Teachers make our lessons fun by making sure everyone's engaged in the lesson and making everyone's taking part. Speaking aloud and practicing the language, making sure everyone can see it and stuff.
I've chosen French as my first option for GCSEs because I've noticed since joining HLD, my language skills have improved tremendously,